Humans have explored more of the moon than the deep ocean. But here's the stranger truth. Your brain is fundamentally not designed to understand the ocean. From the way water distorts light to how depth destroys color, the ocean doesn't just hide secrets, it changes how we see reality itself. Let's break down the science behind why the ocean constantly tricks your brain, using real ocean physics and human perception research. When you look at the ocean, your brain tells you the water is blue, but scientifically, that's not true. At various depths, colors disappear: red at 15-20 feet, orange at 30-40 feet, and yellow at 50-60 feet. The ocean isn't blue because of the sky. Your brain only sees the colors that survived the water column. Underwater, light bends differently, making objects appear larger and closer than they are. Your brain tries to correct the light bending at the water's surface, but it corrects it wrong, creating a built-in optical illusion. On land, depth perception relies on shadows, texture details, horizon lines, and object overlap. But underwater, these cues disappear. Research shows that divers misjudge distance underwater by up to 50%. Most people imagine the deep ocean as silent, but it's not. Sound moves 4 times faster underwater than in air, and with the ocean's density, sound waves travel farther with less loss. Underwater, humans cannot tell where sound comes from or estimate distance, which scrambles their location awareness. The twilight zone begins around 200 meters deep, where sunlight doesn't reach. Deep-sea darkness isn't nighttime dark, it's absolute black, breaking visual processing. The ocean removes reference points, making the brain miscalculate size dramatically. In scientific imaging studies, objects appear vastly different in size depending on depth and lighting. So the next time the ocean feels mysterious, surreal, or otherworldly, it's not just because of unexplored depths, it's because your brain wasn't built to understand it. The ocean doesn't just hide secrets, it changes how you perceive reality. Subscribe to Ocean Quest and join the next deep dive.